Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote's import folders so you can automatically bring files from your computer into Evernote and keep everything organized. Using import folders is a great way to streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing PDFs, screenshots, or documents, this feature helps you save time and ensures your notes stay organized without extra effort. First, open Evernote on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Look down in the lower left corner of the app window and click on your profile area. It usually shows your account name or initials. This is where Evernote keeps all your account and application settings, including the options for import folders. When the menu opens, click Settings. You'll see a screen where you can control how Evernote behaves on your device. Take a moment to let it load, and then focus on the left side of the settings panel. Click the Import section. This is where Evernote manages how files are brought into your notes. It might look simple, but it's a powerful tool. It tells Evernote which folders on your computer to watch and what to do with any new files that appear there. Next, look for a button that says Browse Files and click it. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder you want Evernote to import from. This could be where you save PDFs, screenshots, or other documents you want turned into notes. Choose your folder carefully because anything you drop into it in the future will be automatically pulled into Evernote. Once you've selected your choice, confirm your choice. Evernote will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. You may be asked which notebook the imported file should go into or how to handle different file types. Take a moment to read each option carefully so your new files end up exactly where you want them. After you complete the setup, your import folder is ready. From now on, whenever you place supported files into that folder on your computer, Evernote will automatically import them, turn them into notes, and keep them available for you to organize and use. And that's it. Using import folders in Evernote is a simple but powerful way to automate your workflow and keep your files organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials.